If a MAGA makes an accusation, it's a confession. If a MAGA is calling names, it's a reflection of their own inferiority complex. If a MAGA is making a statement, it's a lie. You MAGAs see other ethnicities all around you achieving and rising to prominence in every area of American society. You MAGAs call this the replacement theory. Remember Charlottesville and the zombie chant, "Jews will not replace us." You MAGAs spend your entire lives blaming other ethnicities for your failures in life. You blame African Americans, Latino Americans, Jews, Indian Americans from India, indigenous people, Asian Americans, transgender people, European Americans who do not agree with you, and all non-European immigrants because you have failed to achieve anything in life. Stop blaming other people for your inept failures in life. You should applaud other people for achieving better instead of plotting to harm them. Take responsibility for your pathetic lives. I am so sick of having to deal with you chicken crap whiners all the time. You MAGAs don't stand for anything. Brought to you by the House Aframian, sponsor of the Exodus from Indigence Project. If you were inspired by the content of this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.